student class. Okay? During the final examination, dun lang nagkakaroon ng operation yung mga estudyante class. Mostly, it is appeared during the classes class. Okay? Now, class, this is always happens class. Again, I will be able to okay, class. I was able to reprimand this student not always absent in the class. Because class again, supposedly we are going through this class, the topic class, kailangan nasundan yung topic natin. But because of this class, nagiging hindrance to class, pati pinuulit-ulit natin. Probably we will not be able to catch up the lesson, nag-alis will catch up the lesson again. Some are exams of yung class, being able to understand the lesson, others are not. Diba? So, ang gagawin natin sa class siya ito. Since we covered with your final examination that included yung kasama dito ay i-discuss natin ngayon. So again, class, I will not be able to discuss the yung dating lecture natin.